Welcome back, Celltek family. As promised, we are now here at one of our Boost Mobile locations. Boost Mobile is now owned by Dish and it's not riding on the T-Mobile network. So if you're not at Boost, you're missing out on a great network and you're missing out on great pricing and great promotions. Here, we're gonna go ahead and go in and we're gonna go ahead and see what Boost Mobile has to offer.
Hello, welcome to Boost.
Hello. Hey guys, we made it in. These right here are all the plans that Boost Mobile has to offer, starting at $10 a month, all the way to $45, which is the Shrink It. The Shrink It, it's a plan that every 6 months on-time payments, your payment will shrink $5 until it gets to $35. All plans come with unlimited talk and text, and depending on what's your need on data, then you can select the price that you want. Okay, well, those are the plans that we have regularly, but what happens if you have a family of 3 or 4? Well, then Boost Mobile will have something for you also. These are all the planes familiares that we have, the family plans. We have 2 lines for $60, we have 3 lines for $90, and we have 4 lines for $120. Also, Boost Mobile has an Unlimited Plus plan, which is a $60 per month, which includes unlimited HD streaming. And last but not least, our $50 Unlimited Gig plan, which is our most iconic plan because you can add a line for $30 a month. Okay, so what about the phone? Am I gonna have to spend a lot of money because I'm switching companies? Well, the answer is no. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a free phone. Yes, you heard that right, a free phone. We have 12 phones to choose from. We have from basic Androids to higher end Androids just for free. Okay, we just got a great deal on the phone, great deal on the plan, and now, there's a lot of accessories that you can choose from here at our stores from Boost Mobile by Celltek. So I invite you to come over to check us out, and I do have Luz Padilla in the store. She's one of our Celltek family members, and she's gonna go ahead and even give you a better deal. This is Luz Padilla. This is one of our Celltek family members. She works with us right here at the Boost Mobile store, and she has a great promotion for us.
Hello everyone. Yes, today we do have the promotion of the Copa Legacy. We have that one as an add-a line. We have it for $5. Right now you get it today. You pay $65 with the activation, the month, even a cool accessory included.
Okay, Celltek family, well, this is the great service that we have at our stores. I definitely do invite you at our store. It is 1461 North Lee Trevino here in El Paso, Texas. Pelicano and Lee Trevino. We're right next to a Wing Daddy's. Thank you, Celltek family. Thank you for making it this far on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Celltek family channel, and for subscribing, you get a chance to win this 401 game box. Have a great day, and out.